Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. Here we have the Audi A6 Saloon on a 64 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside. From the outside of it, you can see it's a four-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area of it first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, and as you might well expect, plenty of boot space as well. We do have that 60/40 split folding rear seat so that you can increase this space further should you wish to, and as you can see, the official A6 vinyl boot liner as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside though, now that we've done a full circle, you can see all four alloy wheels are in great condition, as is the bodywork of the car the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the coolant temperature gauge, then the rev counter, speedometer, and over the right-hand side, the fuel gauge for the car. In the centre, you can see the total miles. They have 30,579. Within that section, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so we, of course, are in park at the moment. The information displayed above that can be changed using buttons on the steering wheel. We're on the kind of driving data menu at the moment. There are other menus available to you as well, any of which can be accessed up there, and those menus are accessed and skipped using the buttons just here. Over on the right hand side, we have our stereo and phone controls. We have cruise control underneath the steering wheel here, and behind the steering wheel, the minus and plus pedals so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Over in the center, we then have the main screen for the car. So lots of options up here. The movement you see me making on the screen at the moment is being done using this dial just here. These four buttons relate to the four corners of the screen and come in handy on most of the menus, which I'll show you in just a moment, and you can access certain things directly with button pushes from here as well. So as I say, you can rotate this wherever you wish to. You can also come back to your main menu from here at any time, but rotating that dial to, say, navigation, for example, push that dial down, we're then in the sat nav menu. You can use the dial to zoom in and to zoom out. Really nice clear color display. You can see the four corners of the screen just here, and the buttons relating to that are the ones I mentioned a moment ago. And that's the same in most menus. So radio, up in the top right hand corner, you can access waveband, where you'll see we have DAB, FM and AM radio. You can also listen to your own music under the media heading. And again, top right hand button to see all the different ways you can listen to your music. And they include Bluetooth audio. So once you've paired your phone, you'll be able to make and receive phone calls and stream your music wirelessly as well, should you wish to do that. Working our way down from there, we have the CD player. You can open this section to reveal your SD memory card and SIM card inputs. You can turn off the traction control from here, the parking sensors, and the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system's off when that light shows. We have dual zone climate control. If I move the gear lever out of the way, you can see passenger and driver temperature. You can adjust either to whatever you want them to be. You can also change the direction the air is being distributed independently for both driver and passenger. You can adjust the fan speed, again, independently for both driver and passenger. The air conditioning's on at the minute, so that's off, back on again, or hit auto. The car will now take full control of the fan speed and direction of the air to maintain the temperatures you've asked for. Any manual adjustment, like I've just done, will turn auto off, as you can see just there. We also have a heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings, and the same over here for the passenger side as well. Some storage inside this section. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, the electronic handbrake with an auto hold function, keypad just here. We have the main volume for the stereo and the start and stop button for the engine itself. You just need to make sure the key is in the car with you. I just wanted to finish up this video by showing you some of the paperwork that we hold here for the car. So firstly, service records, plenty of service receipts just there as well. Main dealer history, 2 keys as you can see, and also, as the V5 will show, 1 lady owner from new on this car as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video walk around of the car, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.